In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the fender liner on this Dodge Dart. Let's get into it. Remove the wheel, use a 19mm socket, take the lug nuts off. They're lug bolts. I'll just hold the wheel on while I take the last one off. Grab the wheel and slide it right off. Using an 8mm socket, we're going to take these screws out. Using a trim tool, take out the push pins. There's a little cover right there. Grab the liner and it just slides right out. Now slide this in position. One of the push pins in there so it holds it in place. And one right there. Take this piece, line this up, the push pins. And push that in place. And get the bolts started. Snug those down. And put the wheel on. Now I'm going to torque the lug bolts to 92 foot-pounds in a cross pattern to tighten the wheel down evenly. Just go around again, double check.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.